I'm Nick with MacSources.com, and today we're going to be talking about the Manfrotto Befree Advanced Carbon. This is the perfect portable tripod for photographers and videographers. Let's go ahead and get it unzipped and see what kind of goodies we have inside. Once you have the tripod out, as you can see, it's very simple to open up. The legs just simply flip open, just like that. And there is a new mechanism now that all you have to do is pull down on the mechanism to unlatch it, so you can bring it up to one of the 3 different levels for it to lock at, as you can see here. One thing that I'd like to point out is the video head that is on this particular tripod. It is a nice fluid drag release. It actually makes for some great pans and tilt shots. One thing that makes this thing super simple to use is the quick M-lock technology, to where I can do all of the legs at one time. I can also bring them in and lock them all at one time. So now that we have our tripod back up, I'm going to go ahead and tighten my bolts here for the fluid head so it's not moving. Reach down and grab my 5B Mark IV, so you'll see that even though this is a travel tripod, it works great for a full frame camera. So I'm just going to set it here, slide it in place, and then there's a knob on the side right here that'll allow you to pretty much keep your camera in perfect harmony. So something else that you want to point out here is this Manfrotto tripod also has a ball level in the head right here. So I can actually see where I need to be able to get the perfect shot level. Not only do you have plenty of articulating areas to pan and tilt, you also have a great video arm here that'll allow you to have more control of your camera as you're making those great movements to capture your subject. One other thing that you don't want to forget to mention is the ability to bring down the main arm with a simple twisting motion. Something else about the Manfrotto Befree Advanced Carbon is the Easy Link system, something normally found on the higher end Manfrotto tripods. The Easy Link system right here is set up for you to be able to add attachments like reflectors for great outdoor photography. The Manfrotto Befree Advanced Carbon has quickly become my go-to tripod for most of my photography. Because it's Manfrotto, I know I don't have to worry about anything breaking when I'm out and about using it. The tripod is tough, lightweight, versatile, and easy to use. I definitely recommend it for capturing all types of photography and video. Be sure to read our full written review at MacSources.com. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to get all the latest news and reviews. Thanks for watching.